So far, you've learned how to spot threats and get alerts. But what happens when it's not just a warning and something's happening? In this lecture, we shift from prevention to response because during a fire, break in, or medical emergency, every second matters. And the right setup can mean the difference between losing control and staying calm, collected, and safe. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to recognize the types of emergencies smart tools can help manage in real time. Use panic buttons, emergency alerts, and apps to respond when speed matters. Set up automatic triggers that act during a crisis even if you can't. What emergency response really means in a smart home. It's not just about alarms blaring, it's about notifying the right people immediately, activating devices that support your escape or recovery, giving responders fast access, creating a chain of events that works, even if you're scared, injured, or not home. Smart tools aren't just fancy extras, they fill the gap between realization and response. Panic buttons and smart triggers. Panic buttons are simple, physical, or app-based tools you press when something's wrong. Some are built into keypads, some into phone apps, and others are wearable. What they can do: instantly alert family or emergency contacts. Trigger a loud alarm to scare off intruders. Call emergency services, depending on provider. Activate lights or unlock exits for escape. Tip: place physical panic buttons near beds, front doors, and in garages, where visibility or reaction time may be limited. Emergency apps for family and caregiver safety. Apps like Noonlight, CareLife, and even Alexa Guard offer emergency support in one tap or voice command. They can detect abnormal sounds, example breaking glass, smoke alarm. Send GPS and audio feeds to emergency dispatchers. Trigger a call or text tree for multiple contacts. Automatically respond to code phrases, example, Alexa, I'm scared. Best for elderly family members, children at home alone, solo travelers, or anyone with health risks. Device-triggered emergency actions. This is where automation becomes life-saving. Examples: fire detected, lights on plus front door unlocked, plus app alert to family. CO detected, furnace shut off, plus windows opened by smart window actuator, plus siren triggered. Break-in at night, interior lights flash, plus exterior floodlights activate, plus phone call sent to homeowner, plus camera starts recording. These actions remove the need for thinking during panic. They do the right thing fast. Your personal smart response setup. Use this 3-part checklist for any emergency you want to prepare for. Detection. What sensor or alert will notice the emergency? Example: smoke, motion, open door, manual panic button. Action. What should happen automatically? Example: lights on, lock open, message sent. Notification. Who needs to know? How should they be contacted? Example: app alert to family, call to neighbor, emergency services pinged. Example: Janet and her family were away for the weekend. At 2:11 a.m., her front door opened unexpectedly. Here's how her smart home responded. Door sensor triggered. Outdoor floodlights turned on. Indoor lights flashed to simulate someone awake. Her camera began recording and sent her a clip. Her phone, husband's phone, and neighbor's phone received an alert. A preset automation called Local Security Patrol. The intruder ran, and nothing was stolen. Janet didn't stop the break-in. Her smart system did. In an emergency, your body goes into panic. That's normal. But smart tools don't panic. They respond. The more you automate and pre-plan, the more you free up your focus for what matters: staying calm, safe, and in control.